In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI agents to make money as a producer, step by step. Before you open any software, lock in your producer identity. Get crystal clear on your genre, your vibe, your target audience, and your long-term vision. Are you building for rappers, singers, or sync, dark and gritty, or smooth and luxurious? The sharper your direction, the better AI can support you. Brand first, tools second. Now use AI to create more music, faster. Let AI MIDI generators spark melodies, lean on chord tools like scalar style plugins, or prompt an AI assistant for progressions, and try AI assisted drum ideas to jumpstart grooves. The goal is volume without losing your voice. Draft quickly, then sculpt every idea with your own sound selection, arrangement, and mix. Release consistently on platforms like YouTube, BeatStars, and TikTok so the algorithm has reasons to surface you. Build templates in your DAW to speed up output, and always add that signature touch that makes a beat unmistakably yours. Next, elevate your visual branding with AI. Generate cover concepts in image models, craft thumbnails and promo graphics with design assistants, and prototype a logo that fits your style. Keep a consistent color palette, a recognizable cover layout, and clean, legible typography. A simple one-page brand guide with colors, fonts, and example covers will save you hours and make your catalog look premium. Automate your content strategy so you never miss a week. Have AI draft Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, beat titles, hashtags, and email promos. Batch an entire week or two in one sitting, then schedule. Save your best prompts and tone examples so every future batch feels on brand and effortless. Lean into short form content powered by AI. Show a making a beat in 30 seconds sprint, compare an AI started idea versus your human finished version, break down a loop, or bring viewers behind the scenes. Use AI to outline scripts, suggest hooks or motifs, and brainstorm fresh angles. Aim for a strong first line, tight edits, and captions for silent viewers. Turn your workflow into products. Use AI to help create loop kits, MIDI packs, drum kits, presets, and beat bundles. Then have AI write product descriptions, design cover art, and draft sales copy. Include clear licensing terms and short audio demos to boost trust and conversions. Speed here means more SKUs and more revenue streams. Improve client communication with AI. Draft professional emails, collaboration proposals, basic contract language, and responses to artist inquiries. Keep templates for pricing, delivery, and revisions,